Welcome to Learn with Invent. Let's learn basic of C language. The structure of C program. The first section is link. It includes all the header files. For example, hash include stdio.h, which is a header library file that lets us to work with the input and output functions such as printf and scanf, etc. Another important file is hash include conio.h, which lets us to work with the console input output. Example, getch. The second section is main function, which serves as the entry point of the program. The third section is the declaration section, where we declare variables and functions. This is the complete structure of a C program with a header file, standard header file input output, main function, and a body of the program between the curly brackets. Software applications that require to build C programs are Developer C++, Eclipse, Visual Studio Code, CodeBlocks, and Turbo C++. Of these software, we will use Developer C++ in our upcoming programs to create C language programs. First, we will see how to run our C program using command prompt. Program to write a message. A little recap of our C program structure. First, our program must have a header file. Then our program must contain a main function. Then our body of the program between the curly braces with the end of statement. This is the basic structure of our C program. Let's start our program to print a message. Let's start with our main function. Main function, body of our program. In the body of our program, we are going to use printf statement. So printf, just I am going to print a message. Welcome to Learn with Invent. Printf is an output function. Hence, we have to use a standard library file stdio.h. So before the main function, enter hash include standard library file stdio.h. Save your project work in your desired location. I have saved it in the desktop. I have created a source file. Let's see how to create an application file. For creating the application file, you have to go to the compiler location. Select the path where you have installed Developer C++. I have installed Developer C++ in local disk C, inside program files x86, Developer C++, inside min GW64, then inside bin, you can see I am having my GCC file. Select your file path and just enter cmd. Press enter. The command prompt has opened in the compiler file location. In the command prompt, you have to type gcc -o, which is output file, path to the output file. Next, path to the file with file name. Let's see the demo. First, type gcc -o, which is my output file, space. Next, type the path where you want to save your output file. I want to save my output file in C program, which is in my desktop. So I am going to copy this path. Copy the path, paste it in your command prompt. I want my file to be named output. So output space, next path of the input file, path of my input file, paste the path with the file name, which is ex_01.cpp. Give enter. My application file has been created successfully. Let's check our file. See, my application file with file name output has been created successfully. Now let's run our application file. In the file path, type cmd, enter. the command prompt is open. Just give your file name with .exe extension, which is an executable file. You have seen we have got the output. Welcome to Learn with Invent. This is how we have to run a C program in command prompt. We will see how to run our program using Developer C++. Program 2. Write a message. Now let's see how to print a message using Developer C++ software. Open your Developer C++ software. Go to File, New, Source File. Start typing your code. Compile your program. No errors. Next, run our program. Your output message is displayed in the command prompt. Developer C++ software creates an application file automatically. This is my application file. We will see further more C programs in the upcoming videos. Keep coding with Invent. Thank you.